Good day, everyone. I've come once again today to teach you. The question we have on the board is a math problem that I extracted from the popular book that we use to prepare kids for common entrance examination, the book you know as Ugosi Ugo Mathematics. So if you are here, you're a candidate, you are preparing for your common entrance examination, follow me. Let me show you the easy way of solving a problem like this. You may see a question like this during your own common entrance examination. So let's go. Let me show you. We have something like this. The question says 3 bottles of wine and 4 bottled water cost 450 naira. If each bottle water costs 35 naira, how much is spent on wine? So we have solution like this. Solution. Right, so 3 bottles of wine and 4 bottled water cost what? We have them to be what? 450 naira. But they said if each bottled water, each means what? One. If each bottled water costs this. All right, so we start from this one, if each. So that means that one bottled water, can you see that? Is equals to what? They said 35 naira. Can you see it? We have it to be what? 35 naira. Is it clear? One bottle. All right, so but here, how many bottles did they give us? They say 4. So if one bottle will cost, if one bottled water will give us this, so what about the 4? 4 bottled water. Can you see that? 4 bottled water. It will give us, we call it what? X, because we don't know the value. So here you do cross multiplication. So this will multiply this and it will become equal to this multiplying this. So 1 times what? X. So we have 1 times X like this is equals to, we have this 4 times 35 naira. Can you see that? Is it clear? All right. So 1 times X will give us X. So why 4 times 35, it will give us 140. Look at it here. We have 35 times 4 like this. 4 times 5 will give us 20. Write 0. Carry what? 2. 4 times 3 will give us 12. Plus 2. We have 14. Can you see it? So that's how I obtained this. So this is 100 and what? 40 naira like this. So the price of this 4 bottles water will give us what? It will give us 140 naira. Is it clear? All right. Now, remember they said 3 bottles of wine and this. That means that the price of 3 bottles of wine, so we have the price of wine plus the price of 4 bottled water. 4 bottled water. Can you see it? 4 bottled water is equals to what? We have it to be 450. Can you see that? Wine plus 4 bottled water will give us what? 450 naira. Look at it here, the information given to us. 3 bottles of wine and 4 bottled water cost what? Look at it here. So the 3 bottles of wine plus 4 bottled water will give us this. Is it clear? Now they are talking about the money spent on wine. They are talking about 3 bottles. That's why I wrote only wine, because they're talking about everything spent on what? Wine. All right, here we have wine like this plus the 4 bottles of water. We have obtained the price to be what? We have it to be 140 naira. Can you see? And everything will give us 450 naira. Remember, the one we are talking about, we are talking about 3 bottles. 3 bottles. 3 bottles of wine. Is it clear? Aha. So this one is plus sign. Crossing over here should be what? Minus. So we have that this will give us, when this crosses over, it will become what? Minus. Can you see the plus sign crossing over here? It will become minus like this. Can you see it? We have like this. All right. So you do 450 minus 140. 450 minus 140. That will give us 310. We have this to be 310 naira. Can you see it? So it means that the price, the money spent on wine, that's 3 bottles of wine. 3 bottles of wine. The money spent on 3 bottles of wine should be 310 naira. So the right option is what? Is option C. Can you see that? Look at it here, option C. So we have it to be the right option like this. Is it clear? Option C. All right, I believe that you enjoyed the way I just solved it. Remember, this is Engineer Kenneth tutorial. Follow this page. I share this video so that it will get to the right students that need to acquire this knowledge. Bye. Thanks for watching this video.